You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more pronunciations of confusing names and how to pronounce them well, stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you here. There are different pronunciations for it, depending on the origin or the language. This is often considered to be a variant of the name from Scotland's Scottish Isla, which is spelled I-S-L-A or I-S-L-A-Y, in which case in Scotland it's pronounced Ila, which is one of the pronunciations in English. It's also sometimes pronounced as Ila. That would be Spanish, French, also Italian, Hungarian version of Helen, Ila. So two different pronunciations. You're going to find people saying it as Ila or Ila. Two correct pronunciations, at least in English. How do you pronounce it? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can all learn from you. Let us know. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.